What is happening? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. I'm about to head over to the gym and get a really awesome workout done. My business is still running for me, even though I've been focusing more on my health. Just in the last couple of weeks, and my business is still running for you. I'm still receiving these 100% commissions. My team members are still crushing it. They're still generating these type of crazy commissions. So if you're somebody that wants to have the ability to, even if you have a full-time job, but you want a side hustle, you want some side income coming in, especially for summertime, since a lot of people want to and like to take vacations with their family, right? If you're somebody that just wants to make maybe an extra $600 a week, an extra $1,000 a month, an extra $2,000 a month, right? If that is you, if you want to use the model of affiliate marketing, you want to make sure that you click on the link below, go to infinityprocessingsystem.info, take a look at the full details and get started with the team today, right? Awesome thing about this opportunity is that there are no monthly payments. Once you're in, you're in. Depending on which level you come in, right, is the type of commissions you're going to be able to earn, right? So if you want to earn higher commissions, come in at the higher level, right? So you can position yourself to earn the unlimited $300 commissions, the $150 commissions, and the $50 commissions. Imagine what your life would look like if you were to have the ability to earn two $300 commissions. That would be $600 in one single day using this business opportunity, right? So get started with the team today. Once you get started, you're gonna get access to all the copy and paste ads. There's already pre-written ads. All you gotta do is copy and paste them, put them on social media, and start generating results. Anyways, take action today. Other than that, I will see you at the top. Ciao, ciao.